Day 3 of the Ham Radio Workshop, the final day. We just did not connect with radios, we connected with possibilities across the world wirelessly. Come, let's know from our guest.
Today was the last day of Ham Radio communication workshop, and SNU, this is the third time we are organizing this ham radio and as well as the amateur radio workshop for our students. And this time this workshop, it was organized by Oscar India with collaboration with Asmith, where they learned about signal propagations, how to set the antenna. And we all know that ham radio and as well as the amateur radio, it is very useful for our nation's security. And it is also related to the community service, which is very important.
After I joined there, I came to know about this and really interested, especially the communication part. So I got interested and then started joining the classes, special classes, basically organized by AISMIT at their premises. Then one things after another, I was interested, and Neil sir pushed that you should go for the license, and I appeared, have it on 2023, and it was Victor Uniform 3 Extra Bravo Alpha. Finally, I was very happy when I got my license. So that's all. And after that, I got the chance to participate in NEPEX.
It was a great experience for me, and about students were really very enthusiastic. মানে আমরা যখন স্টুডেন্ট ছিলাম তখন আমরা যতটা বেশি ইন্টারঅ্যাক্টিভ ছিলাম তার থেকে অনেক বেশি এনথুজিয়াস ইন্টারঅ্যাক্টিভ স্টুডেন্ট আমি পেয়েছি, দেখেছি এসএনইউতে। এই গোটা 3 দিনের যে ইভেন্টটা ছিল, সেখানে রুলস অ্যান্ড রেগুলেশনস এএসওসির ক্ষেত্রে, হ্যাম রেডিও কী, তার কমিউনিকেশন, অ্যান্টেনা, ইভেন লাস্ট ডেতে যখন ওরা কমিউনিকেট করছে, দে ওয়ার এনজয়িং দ্য এন্টায়ার ইভেন্ট।
And that's the wrap from the 3 days workshop. From learning how this radio works to making it live experience, we have come to the end. With the camera person Mayuri, this is Sadhvi reporting from SNU Chronicles.